Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very important video which is about makeup brushes, and a lot of you guys ask me about my makeup brushes, so I'm going to show you the 10 most used or really important makeup brushes that if you have them, so you'll be like sorted for your makeup looks. So first brush is this foundation brush. This is by Real Techniques and it's called buffing brush. I like to do my foundation medium to full coverage, so for that kind of look this brush is really helpful. It is dense and it's really thick, so it makes applying your foundation very easy. Okay, so the second brush is this dense brush. You can see it's really dense, yet it's fluffy. So this is very helpful for applying your concealers on your eye or under eye, and this brush is very helpful. So any thick product that you want to apply, this will be really helpful. Now the third brush I would say is like a big powder brush. So this brush makes it really easy to apply powder all over the face very quickly. If you don't have a big powder brush, a small would do, but I like this one, really handy for myself and for my brides, and this kind of brush makes application of the powder very easy. I've got another powder brush that I really like. This one is by Body Shop. It's a really old brush, but I really like it, and this one I mostly use to apply powder under the eyes, but if you have got that one, you'll be fine for applying powder all over your face. Now I would highly recommend having a fluffy brush for applying eyeshadows. This brush really helps you apply eyeshadow on your transition and blend it outwards. Having a thick fluffy brush is really important, and it's very helpful to blend out your eyeshadows in your transition or just outside. This brush is really helpful. So I've got these two. This one is really a bit on the expensive side. This is by Zoviva, and this one is by Peaches and Creams. It's not too expensive. Peaches and Creams brushes are really nice and they're not very expensive either. Now there's another brush that I really would like you to have a look, and this is again a fluffy blending brush, but these ones are slightly smaller than that one. So if you can see the difference, yep, I hope you can. So these ones are slightly smaller, and these ones are used to go in your crease line actually. So if you want to apply something in your crease line, this is the brush that you want. Now another very important brush is your pencil brush. These brushes are like really small and they're very helpful to apply eyeshadow under the lash line or on the outer V's. This one is really helpful, or for the inner waterline. Now another very helpful and useful brush is this eyebrow brush. It's like an angled brush and then there's spoolie at the end. So you brush out your eyebrow hair and then you apply your eyebrow powder or the pomade with this line. This makes your job really easy. And another brush that I would suggest having is this eyeliner brush. It's like very thin brush and it helps you to apply your eyeliner very easily. Sorry, my brushes are coming up to 11, sorry. So another brush that I would really like you to have to get your makeup applications really nicely is this fluffy brush. This is again by Real Techniques and it says contour brush, but you pinch it like this and make it slightly thinner. You can use it for the contour, and if you leave it like fluffy like this, so you can use it for your blush. This brush is very helpful and very good as well. There's another brush. It's not very dense, it's very fluffy. You can see it's tight at the bottom but it's quite loose on the top. This one's really good for applying your highlighter and it blends it really well. Now there's this flat brush. I really like this flat brush. They're very good for applying a dark color on the lid, or they're helpful for blending the lower lash line. They're helpful for cleaning around the dark lipstick. Sometimes you can get a bit messy with your lipstick and you need to get rid of it, the mess you've created. So you take a little bit of concealer in this one and then you just clean around the edges. These ones are really helpful. Flat brushes are very helpful for applying glitters and eyeshadows that you want more payoff from. And that's it. One more thing, so I would really recommend having a good sponge. This one is by Real Techniques. I really like using them. I can't see any fault in this one compared to like very high-end ones. So these ones are really nice as well. And so these are my favorite brushes. I would say must-have brushes for creating any sort of glam makeup look. I would highly recommend having makeup brushes because they make your job so easy, and if you buy good brushes, they last you a really long time, so it's a good investment. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or do you want me to make any videos, please leave your messages in the comments section below. I love to read all of your messages. Thank you very much again, and bye for now.